Bismillah. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, good evening. Okay. Actually, to record the delay, we need to add some information like we need to make sure that we calculate the difference between when I start create the message at the application, because the first message we created at the application can then we receive it at the application of the second host. So to calculate the delay, I need to add one parameter at the application layer. So at the application layer here, but unfortunately this parameter is not like cumulative type of parameter. It is a different type. We call it C long histogram. Uh, this one. Okay. Let's just give it the name delay. This one is a kind of statistic parameter. That means every time we collect the delay, every time we receive a bucket and it is correct, we calculate the delay of that bucket and we add it inside this one. So at the end we will have a different. It is like a vector. Okay, clear? Say something. So the C long histogram 2 is a delay. Clear? Then
Clear, sir.
okay. At the when we receive a bucket at the application layer, we receive it at the application.cc can at handle message. So this one here when we generate the bucket, and this here when we receive it. So if the bucket is received for us, then we calculate the delay. We give it a parameter name what? Delay underscore can. Then delay underscore dot collect. Okay. Okay, the how we collect the time is the time of the current simulation time minus the time that we generate the bucket. So current simulation time we get it at before get simulation then this is the time that the current time of the get sim time, then we convert it into double. Okay, so that means this is the current time minus the time that we generate the bucket. The bucket that we receive nama apa? Nama D kan. Here we get creation time, get arrival time, this one. But we need to convert it into double can. So this one will collect the difference between the current time, the current simulation time, this one, minus the time that we create the bucket. Actually, this is exactly the lifetime of the bucket. Can clear or not? Okay. Then at the end, we need to record another scalar. So we just copy this one and finish. We record another scalar. This one here we call it delay in second. Let's say just mean delay in second. Mean delay in second. Okay. The parameter that we need to collect is what? It is a delay one. Delay. Then inside the delay we are not looking for get mean. I think mean or something like that. Okay, why I cannot? or dot. Get mean. Got mean, this one will give me the average, can? So now if I run the simulation, again, run simulation can with the hub, and then we try to collect the delay, then we see what is the delay that we get for each receiving packet. Let's say I just 10 seconds. Okay, finish already, yeah? Then I calculate the result, same like yesterday. Close the simulation and open the what? Open the result file. Then at the result file here, I will see the delay one. Can you see the delay? Hello, can you see the mean delay in second? But it is,
Yes.
for host 1 is none because we receive no bucket. Can? None. That means there is nothing recorded because we didn't receive any bucket. But at host 2, we receive, then we get it 0. Okay, now the question is why the delay is 0? Because until now, we just send the data from the host 1 to host 2, but there is no delay function we built inside. Can? Okay, so now the question is how to build the delay function. The simple way to build the delay function, okay, when we send the bucket, when we send the bucket, actually we send the bucket at the what? At the MAC layer, can? Here. We don't send it, we supposed to send it with a delay. Send it delayed. So we don't use send, we send delayed. How to say that? Okay, send, instead of we send the bucket, we send it with a delay. Because now we send the bucket out, can? Actually this is the bucket that we send, and this is exactly the name of the output gate, can? But here we need to specify the amount of delay that we need to what? Here supposed to be we have the what? The transmission time. Transmission time. Okay, the transmission time too, we need to calculate it. How we calculate the transmission time? Transmission time is a double Bonnier value. Actually, the transmission time is equal to the link bandwidth. Hello, how we calculate the transmission time? Transmission time is the relation between the what? The bucket size divided by the
Rate of transmission.
but divide by the data rate, can? So for example, if I want to send one bucket that is 1 megabit, okay, in a channel, in a link, that is the bandwidth there is equal to for example, let's say 1 megabit per second. So how long it will take? I need to write that. I don't know how to write. So let me just fix the drawing. But I am not good in doing this one. How to Mr. Painter. Can you see the Painter? This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Imagine that I have a bucket. This is one host A, want to send to host B. Okay? So we have a link here. This is a link. If the bandwidth of this link is 1 megabit per second, my writing is not good, can? And the bucket size that I want to send here, the size is 1 megabit. How long it will take to go from here to here? Is equal to the size of the bucket size divide by bandwidth, can? Bandwidth. Clear, can? Do you understand this one? So this one is equal to the bucket size is 1 megabit, can? And the bandwidth is what? 1 megabit per second. So this one is equal to, actually this one is equal to like this one. So the second go up is equal to 1 second, can? So to calculate the delay of the bucket 2, I need to find what? The bucket size and what? Bandwidth. I need to know these two parameters, this one and this one, can? So now I need to make sure these parameters are available there. Okay, so the bandwidth 2, actually that means in the Mac, the Mac NED, I need to create another parameter here. Okay, and this parameter, let's say it is from type double. Sorry, okay, and let's say is equal to what? Bandwidth. And is equal to, by default, instead of megabit per second is equal to, let's say kilobit per second is equal to 1000. That means it's equal to 1000 kilobit per second, can? Hello? You get that? So
Yeah.
at the Mac layer, I need to create a parameter, new parameter here. This is the parameter. Okay, this is the class. Let's say public. Okay, and we have double bandwidth. Okay, so now at the Mac layer, I need to read it when I initialize here. The name is bandwidth scan. Is equal to bar. The name of the parameter what? Bandwidth.
Sudah 15 menit.
And it is from what again?
15 minutes.
Oh, the time already. Okay. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. We stop here for a while. Huh?